Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 23rd, 2021. We have two puzzles left: a tectonic one and a binary one. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2994. Yes, 2994. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. 4 ones and 4 O's. All right. So let's get started. I see here 3 ones. The fourth one should be in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row. In this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Alright. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Double 1. Here an O. There an O. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, well, we have here also the same story as those 3 boxes. Those 3 ones. And we have also 3 O's. So the 4th O should be in one of those 3 boxes. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have also 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 3 ones. The 4th one should be in one of those 3 boxes. Otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this box should be an O. Alright. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then 4 ones in this row. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare. We need to compare. Yeah. This column and that column. O, 1, 1, O. 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Very quick to solve. Only 1 time for comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Just go below and find the link. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today in this additional. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. Yes, I believe there are only 10 printed digits. So it will be a hard one. So see you then. Bye bye for now.